NGO in 2012, November 2012, and a lot of people have been inspiring me through their work for the society. So that is how I got inspired by a lot of people who are working for the society, and I thought of developing my own platform for youngsters like me who want to serve the society. The name of this organization, that is OA, Organization for Youth and Elderly, it has been formed by me itself, and I've been working for the youth, I've been working for the society since 8 years now. So yeah, it shows what I am doing for the society and we all are doing for the society. So it's Organization for the Youth and Elderly, OA. We are focusing on creating a sense of social responsibility within the youth and involve them in social work. This is our objective, and we work for a lot of causes like eye donation drives, and we have literacy campaigns known as OA's Ab Padhega India campaign. Then we have a cloth donation drive that is known as campaign Dhaga, and a lot of other drives like Swachh Bharat Abhiyan or food donation drives. This is going on all over India through OA, and there is no one particular cause for which we work, so we work for all the causes. 3,000 plus volunteers all over India, and youngsters working for OA are known as OSTers. So we call them OSTers. We all have experienced a very good childhood which we can remember. Whenever we remember our childhood, it makes us happy. But then there are lakhs of children in India who become so sad when they remember their childhood. I mean, when those children grow up. Why not make someone's childhood good and make it worth living or worth being happy? It is not possible if only Oysters or if only Siddhant Moite or if only Platini is going to work for this cause. When the whole country decides that okay, let's do something to literate India, only then it is going to happen. Yeah, so we have two initiatives. Ab Padhega India is the literacy drive of all, and we have one more drive which is a bit entertainment part for the children. It is known as Bachpan. So in Ab Padhega India, we provide them with stationery, with all kinds of books, notebooks, all kinds of study material, computers or whatever gadgets they need. And in Bachpan, we organize games for them, we organize movies, or we take them out for picnics, and we have McDonald's burgers for them or fries, and we just chill.
मैं अनु हूँ, मैं 13 साल की लड़की हूँ। मैं आपको अपने दोस्तों से मिलाऊंगी। इसका नाम है मारिस, इसका नाम है कल्पना, इसका नाम है दुर्गा, इसका नाम है पवन।
Whenever we feel like organizing something for one particular cause, so our zonal team takes the responsibility of organizing that particular event or drive. So we have divided Mumbai according to the railway stations. For example, from Virar to Churchgate, we have divided east and west as two zones. So all the east platforms have one zonal head, and all the west zones have one zonal head, and those zonal heads have teams in their own zones. So that is how every zone has its own team, and that particular team plans for the event or drive. We use social media as our weapon for awareness and publicity. So we have teams for Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and YouTube, and those particular teams look after their own social media websites, and that is how we create awareness. everything is like a challenge for us because we all are freshers and we are running this whole organization which has grown nationwide now, and we are also expanding globally next month. So everything is like a challenge. We start with something, we get failure sometimes, again we work on it, we correct our mistakes, and then some or the other day we are successful for that particular task or that particular target of ours. So yeah, everything is like a challenge, but as youngsters of India, we are ready to accept everything for our country. We believe in working for humanity and for the society, but not only human beings. So we have also launched our own animal welfare wing, which is known as ROAR, reaching out for animal rights. We are launching a special wing for senior citizens. So because it is OA, organization for youth and elderly, so elderly play a major role in our way of working. So we'll be working for senior citizens, and even senior citizens will be a part of OA, and they'll be serving other senior citizens around them. So this is one initiative of OA. The second initiative is OA's Eye Donation Drive, where we are planning to get 5 lakh donors for the blind this year itself, and I want your support for that.